How was dinner?
How was dinner?
저녁 어땠어?
How was everything?
How was everything?
어떠셨습니까?
How was everything / how was it?
How was everything? How was it?
어떠셨습니까?
How was his throw?
How was his throw?
그 사람 투구는 어땠어?
How was I back then?
How was I back then?
그때의 저는 어땠나요?
How was ice hockey created?
How was ice hockey created?
아이스하키는 어떻게 만들어졌을까?
How was it back then?
How was it back then?
그때는 어땠나요?
How was it?
How was it?
어땠어?
How was it? Brilliant.
How was it? Brilliant.
그거 어땠니? 아주 좋았어.
How was Jesse's performance?
How was Jesse's performance?
어제 제시의 공연은 어땠어?
How was last English class?
How was last English class?
마지막 영어 수업은 어땠어?
How was Los Angeles?
How was Los Angeles?
로스앤젤레스 어땠어요?
How was mine? Well done.
How was mine? Well done.
저는 어때요? 잘 만들었죠?
How was my decoy?
How was my decoy?
어때 내 바람잡이?
How was my performance?
How was my performance?
내 연주 어땠어?
How was Professor Kim's lecture?
How was Professor Kim's lecture?
김 교수님 강의 어땠어?
How was school today, darling?
How was school today, darling?
자기, 오늘 학교 어땠어?
How was school today, dear?
How was school today, dear?
얘야, 오늘 학교 어땠니?
How was school today, sweetheart?
How was school today, sweetheart?
자기, 오늘 학교 어땠어?
How was school today?
How was school today?
오늘 유치원에서 어땠니?
How was school?
How was school?
오늘 학교 어땠니?
How was seeing your mother-in-law?
How was seeing your mother-in-law?
시어머니를 뵌 소감이 어때?
How was the acting?
How was the acting?
연기는 어땠어요?
How was the atmosphere?
How was the atmosphere?
분위기는 어땠어요?
How was the bar?
How was the bar?
반은 어땠어?
How was the book?
How was the book?
그 책 어땠어?
How was the Broadway show?
How was the Broadway show?
브로드웨이 공연은 어땠어요?
How was the class today?
How was the class today?
오늘 수업 어땠니?
How was the concert?
How was the concert?
콘서트는 어땠어요?
How was the date?
How was the date?
데이트 어땠어?
How was the day today?
How was the day today?
오늘 하루 어땠어?
How was the election?
How was the election?
선거는 어떻게 되었나요?
How was the field trip?
How was the field trip?
견학은 어땠니?
How was the fireworks show?
How was the fireworks show?
불꽃쇼는 어땠어?
How was the first date?
How was the first date?
첫 데이트 어땠어?
How was the flight?
How was the flight?
비행은 어땠어?
How was the food?
How was the food?
음식은 어땠어?
How was the fright?
How was the fright?
비행은 잘하셨어요.
How was the horseback riding?
How was the horseback riding?
말 타기 어땠어요?
How was the hotel?
How was the hotel?
호텔은 어땠어요?
How was the interview?
How was the interview?
면접은 어땠어요?
How was the lecture yesterday?
How was the lecture yesterday?
어제 강연이 어땠나요?
How was the letter worded?
How was the letter worded?
그 편지에는 정확히 뭐라고 쓰여 있었니?
How was the meeting yesterday?
How was the meeting yesterday?
어제 미팅은 어땠니?
How was the meeting?
How was the meeting?
미팅은 어땠나요?
How was the movie?
How was the movie?
영화 어땠어?
How was the negotiation?
How was the negotiation?
그 협상은 어땠어요?
How was the party?
How was the party?
파티는 어땠나요?
How was the performance?
How was the performance?
공연은 어땠어요?
How was the piano recital?
How was the piano recital?
피아노 연주회는 어땠어요?
How was the picnic?
How was the picnic?
소풍은 어땠어?
How was the play at Suko?
How was the play at Suko?
공연은 어땠어요? 에스코.
How was the press conference?
How was the press conference?
기자회견은 어땠어?
How was the price?
How was the price?
가격은 어땠어요?
How was the restaurant?
How was the restaurant?
레스토랑은 어땠어?
How was the school?
How was the school?
학교 생활 어땠어?
How was the seaside?
How was the seaside?
해변은 어땠어요?
How was the service?
How was the service?
서비스는 어땠어요?
How was the snow?
How was the snow?
눈 어땠어요?
How was the soccer game?
How was the soccer game?
축구 시합은 어땠니?
How was the story?
How was the story?
스토리는 어땠어요?
How was the test?
How was the test?
시험 잘 봤어요.
How was the tour?
How was the tour?
그 투어 어땠어?
How was the traffic?
How was the traffic?
교통은 어떻던가요?
How was the trip?
How was the trip?
여행은 잘 다녀오셨어요?
How was the view?
How was the view?
경치는 어땠어요?
How was the weather there?
How was the weather there?
거기 날씨 어떠했어요?
How was the weather?
How was the weather?
날씨는 어땠어요?
How was the zarzuela at Suko?
How was the zarzuela at Suko?
사르수엘라는 어땠어요? 에츠코.
How was their wedding ceremony?
How was their wedding ceremony?
그 사람들 결혼식은 어땠어요?
How was the speaking practice?
How was the speaking practice?
이번 스피킹 연습 어땠어?
How was weekend? Don't ask.
How was weekend? Don't ask.
주말 어땠어요? 묻지 마세요.
How was work today?
How was work today?
오늘 회사는 어땠어요?
How was work?
How was work?
회사 일은 어땠어요?
How was you flight?
How was you flight?
비행기 여행은 어땠습니까?
How was your all-nighter?
How was your all-nighter?
당신의 밤샘 공부는 어땠나요?
How was your attendance?
How was your attendance?
출근율은 어땠습니까?
How was your basketball game?
How was your basketball game?
너희 농구 시합은 어땠니?
How was your blind date?
How was your blind date?
미팅 어땠어요?
How was your business trip?
How was your business trip?
출장 잘 다녀온 거야?
How was your Chinese test?
How was your Chinese test?
중국어 시험은 어땠나요?
How was your Chuseok holiday?
How was your Chuseok holiday?
추석 연휴 어떻게 지냈어?
How was your class today?
How was your class today?
오늘 내 수업 어땠어?
How was your class?
How was your class?
당신의 수업은 어땠나요?
How was your crossing?
How was your crossing?
당신의 방에는 어떻게 되었나요?
How was your date yesterday?
How was your date yesterday?
어제 만난 사람 마음에 듭니까?
How was your date?
How was your date?
너 데이트 어땠어?
How was your day off?
How was your day off?
쉬는 날은 잘 보냈어요.
How was your day today?
How was your day today?
오늘 어땠어요?
How was your day, Becky?
How was your day, Becky?
오늘은 어땠니, 베키?
How was your day, dear?
How was your day, dear?
오늘 어땠어요, 여보?
How was your day, sweetheart?
How was your day, sweetheart?
얘야, 오늘 어땠어?
How was your day, sweetie?
How was your day, sweetie?
얘야, 오늘 어땠어?
How was your day?
How was your day?
오늘 어땠어요?
How was your dinner? Excellent.
How was your dinner? Excellent.
식사가 어땠습니까? 아주 훌륭했어요.
How was your drive?
How was your drive?
차를 직접 몰고 왔는데 어땠어요?
How was your flight, Mariko?
How was your flight, Mariko?
비행기 여행은 어땠나요, 마리코?
How was your flight?
How was your flight?
비행은 어땠나요?
How was your linguine, ma'am?
How was your linguine, ma'am?
링귀니는 어떠하셨나요? 사모님,
How was your meal?
How was your meal?
식사는 어땠어?
How was your meeting?
How was your meeting?
회의는 어땠어요?
How was your morning?
How was your morning?
오전에 어떻게 지냈어요?
How was your party yesterday?
How was your party yesterday?
어제 내가 연파티 어땠니?
How was your recital?
How was your recital?
낭송회는 어땠니?
How was your report card?
How was your report card?
레포트 카드는 어땠어요?
How was your return trip?
How was your return trip?
귀국하는 동안 어땠어?
How was your test?
How was your test?
시험은 어떻게 봤니?
How was your Thanksgiving?
How was your Thanksgiving?
추수감사절 어땠어?
How was your trip, mother?
How was your trip, mother?
여행은 어땠어요? 엄마.
How was your trip?
How was your trip?
여행은 어땠어?
How was your vacation?
How was your vacation?
휴가는 어땠어요?
How was your week?
How was your week?
한 주 동안 어떻게 지냈어?
How was your weekend, Samantha?
How was your weekend, Samantha?
주말 어떻게 보냈어요? 사만다.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
주말 어떻게 보냈어요?
How water runs out.
How water runs out.
온수가 나오지 않습니다.
How well does it work?
How well does it work?
그건 얼마나 잘 돌아가요?
How well does she contribute?
How well does she contribute?
그녀는 얼마나 공헌을 잘하니?
How well does she cook?
How well does she cook?
그녀는 얼마나 요리를 잘하니?
How well does she haggle?
How well does she haggle?
그녀는 얼마나 흥정을 잘하니?
How well does she remember?
How well does she remember?
그녀는 얼마나 기억을 잘하니?
How well does she speak?
How well does she speak?
그녀는 얼마나 말을 잘하니?
How well does she understand?
How well does she understand?
그녀는 얼마나 이해를 잘하니?
How well she sings?
How well she sings?
그녀는 정말 노래를 잘하는구나.
How well she speaks English?
How well she speaks English?
그녀는 영어를 참 잘하는구나.
How were the ball games?
How were the ball games?
그 공 게임은 어땠어요?
How were the exams today?
How were the exams today?
오늘 시험은 어땠어요?
How were the firefighters injured?
How were the firefighters injured?
소방관들이 부상을 입게 된 경위는?
How were the interviewees?
How were the interviewees?
면접 참가자들 어땠어요?
How were the photos taken?
How were the photos taken?
어떤 방법으로 사진이 찍혔나요?
How were you brave today?
How were you brave today?
오늘 너는 얼마나 용감했니?
How were your grades?
How were you grades?
성적 어때?
How were your grades?
How were your grades?
성적 어때?
How wicked he is.
How wicked he is.
저런 몹쓸 놈이 있나?
How wide is that road?
How wide is that road?
저 도로의 폭이 얼마죠?
How wide is that stream?
How wide is that stream?
저 개울은 폭이 얼마나 되죠?
How wide is the lot?
How wide is the lot?
대지가 몇 평이나 되지요?
How wide is this material?
How wide is this material?
이 옷감은 얼마나 클까요?
How will it break?
How will it break?
그것은 어떻게 꺾일까요?
How will it go?
How will it go?
그건 어떻게 될까?
How will it turn out?
How will it turn out?
선거 결과가 어떻게 될까요?
How will that change things?
How will that change things?
그래서 달라지는 게 뭐죠?
How will the case go?
How will the case go?
사건이 어떻게 될까?
How will the men travel?
How will the men travel?
남자들의 여행 교통편은?
How will we be graded?
How will we be graded?
성적은 어떻게 평가하실 겁니까?
How will we take these?
How will we take these?
이거 어떻게 찍으려나요?
How will you be funded?
How will you be funded?
어떻게 자금을 조달할 거야?
How will you covering this?
How will you covering this?
어떻게 지불하면 되겠습니까?
How will you have it?
How will you have it?
어때? 한 잔 안 할래?
How wise of you?
How wise of you?
정말 현명하시네요.
How wise the boy is?
How wise the boy is?
그 소녀는 얼마나 현명한가.
How wonderful!
How wonderful!
정말 대단해.
How wonderful! I am flying.
How wonderful! I am flying.
너무 멋져. 내가 날고 있어.
How would 4 o'clock be?
How would 4 o'clock be?
내 쉬면 어떻겠어요?
How would I know that?
How would I know that?
내가 어떻게 알아?
How would I know that?
How would I know that?
어떻게 그걸 알아요?
How would I know?
How would I know?
제가 어떻게 알겠어요?
How would you characterize yourself?
How would you characterize yourself?
당신 자신의 특징을 어떻게 묘사하시겠어요?
How would you describe yourself?
How would you describe yourself?
자신을 어떻게 설명하시겠어요?
How would you feel about?
How would you feel about?
에 대해 어떻게 느끼십니까?
How would you go about?
How would you go about?
여러분은 어떻게 하시겠습니까?
How would you know that?
How would you know that?
그걸 어떻게 알아요?
How would you know?
How would you know?
어떻게 아세요?
How would you like?
How would you like?
를 어떻게 하시겠어요? 하는 거 어떠세요?
How would you like plus N?
How would you like plus N?
는 어때요? 어떻게 준비해 드릴까요?
How would you like it?
How would you like it?
돈을 어떻게 해 드릴까요?
How would you like that?
How would you like that?
저거 어때?
How would you like this?
How would you like this?
이것은 어떠세요?
How would you like?
How would you like?
를 어떻게 하시겠어요? 하는 거 어떠세요?
How you living?
How you living?
지내기가 어때?
How you anything cheaper?
How you anything cheaper?
좀 더 싼 것이 있습니까?
How you can't sleep?
How you can't sleep?
잠도 오지 않는다며?
How you changed my life?
How you changed my life?
당신이 내 인생을 어떻게 변화시켰는지,
How you cut it?
How you cut it?
상황을 어떻게 보시는지,
How you doing in there?
How you doing in there?
그 안에서 괜찮아.
How you doing? Okay.
How you doing? Okay.
기분 어때요?
How you doing, kiddo?
How you doing, kiddo?
어떻게 지내니, 꼬마?
How young I look?
How young I look?
난 너무 젊어 보여.
How your boss?
How your boss?
상사는 어떤가요?
How you've grown?
How you've grown?
너 많이 컸구나.
How you've grown?
How you've grown?
자네가 어떻게 컸는지,
How did that happen?
How did that happen?
어떻게 그런 일이?
How you doing?
How you doing?
어떻게, 어떻게 지내세요?
How?
How?
무엇라고요?
How? What's the catch?
How? What's the catch?
어떻게? 뭘 해야 했는데?
How? When?
How? When?
어떻게? 언제?
Howard's the handyman.
Howard's the handyman.
이 건물 관리하는 분이라니까요.
How'd he take the news?
How'd he take the news?
그는 그 소식 듣고 반응이 어땠어?
How'd I get here?
How'd I get here?
내가 어쩌다 여기까지 왔을까?
How'd it get over there?
How'd it get over there?
어떻게 그게 저기에 가 있지?
How'd it go in there?
How'd it go in there?
거기 진료 어땠어?
How'd it go?
How'd it go?
어떻게 되었어요?
How'd it taste?
How'd it taste?
맛은 어땠어?
How'd she take it?
How'd she take it?
그녀가 그걸 어떻게 받아들였어?
How'd the interview go?
How'd the interview go?
인터뷰 어떻게 될 것 같아요?
How'd what go?
How'd what go?
뭐가 어떻게 됐냐고?
How'd you do that?
How'd you do that?
당신은 어떻게 그것을 했습니까?
How'd you earn money?
How'd you earn money?
어떻게 벌어먹고 살 거냐?
How'd you end up here?
How'd you end up here?
그래서 어떻게 여기까지 오게 된 거지?
How'd you get here anyway?
How'd you get here anyway?
너희들 어떻게 여기 왔니?
How'd you get his number?
How'd you get his number?
그 남자 전화번호 어떻게 알았어?
How'd you get my number?
How'd you get my number?
내 번호는 어떻게 알았어?
How'd you get so cynical?
How'd you get so cynical?
왜 그렇게 냉소적인 거예요?
How'd you get that bruise?
How'd you get that bruise?
그 멍은 어떻게 들게 된 거야?
How'd you get the scrape?
How'd you get the scrape?
어떻게 하다가 상처가 났나요?
How'd you get there?
How'd you get there?
당신은 어떻게 거기에 도착을 하게 되었나요?
How'd you get this back?
How'd you get this back?
이건 어떻게 찾으셨어요?
How'd you know I'm handsome?
How'd you know I'm handsome?
내가 잘 생겼다는 것을 어떻게 알았지?
How'd you know I'm sick?
How'd you know I'm sick?
내가 아픈 건 어떻게 알았어?
How'd you know?
How'd you know?
어떻게 아셨지?
How'd you like the show?
How'd you like the show?
연극 어땠어요?
How'd you like your drink?
How'd you like your drink?
음료는 맛있게 드셨나요?
How'd you lose that arm?
How'd you lose that arm?
어떻게 팔을 잃게 되었죠?
How'd you make it happen?
How'd you make it happen?
당신은 어떻게 해낼 수 있어요?
How'd you meet this guy?
How'd you meet this guy?
이 사람을 어떻게 만나게 되었니?
How'd you meet your husband?
How'd you meet your husband?
내 남편 어떻게 만났어?
How'd you miss it?
How'd you miss it?
어떻게 그걸 못 봤지?
How'd you pull this off?
How'd you pull this off?
어떻게 이 일을 해냈지?
How'd you sleep last night?
How'd you sleep last night?
어젯밤 잘 잤어?
How'd you two meet up?
How'd you two meet up?
서로 어떻게 만났지?
How'd you two meet?
How'd you two meet?
두 분 어떻게 만나셨어요?
How'd your day go?
How'd your day go?
당신의 하루는 어떻게 지내고 있나요?
How'd your husband find out?
How'd your husband find out?
내 남편 어떻게 알게 된 거야?
How'd your husband know him?
How'd your husband know him?
내 남편 그를 어떻게 알게 되었어?
How'd your interview go?
How'd your interview go?
면접은 어땠어요?
Howdy doody.
Howdy doody.
안녕, 똥.
However, I do badminton now.
However, I do badminton now.
하지만 나는 지금 배드민턴을 하고 있어.
However, it doesn't cause trauma.
However, it doesn't cause trauma.
하지만 그것은 트라우마를 유발하지는 않는다.
However poor one may be.
However poor one may be.
아무리 가난할지라도.
However things turned out okay.
However things turned out okay.
하지만 결국 상황은 잘 마무리되었다.
However you like.
However you like.
마음대로 하세요.
However, all snowflakes are different.
However, all snowflakes are different.
하지만 모든 눈송이들은 다 달라요.
However, Ashley committed genetic fallacy.
However, Ashley committed genetic fallacy.
하지만 예슐리는 발생론적 오류를 범했다.
However, Cash leaves no trace.
However, cash leaves no trace.
하지만 현금은 기록을 남기지 않는다.
However, COX has been criticized.
However, COEX has been criticized.
하지만 코엑스는 비난을 받았다.
However, everything changes.
However, everything changes.
하지만 모든 것들은 변합니다.
However, he continued cloning experiments.
However, he continued cloning experiments.
하지만 그는 복제 실험을 계속했습니다.
However, he did not complain.
However, he did not complain.
하지만 그는 불평하지 않았다.
However, he failed repeatedly.
However, he failed repeatedly.
하지만 그는 실패를 반복했다.
However, he is also naive.
However, he is also naive.
그러나 그는 또한 순진하다.
However, he is doing well.
However, he is doing well.
하지만 그는 잘 지내고 있습니다.
However, he was kicked out.
However, he was kicked out.
하지만 그는 쫓겨났습니다.
However, he was never forgotten.
However, he was never forgotten.
하지만 그는 결코 잊혀지지 않았다.
However, I finished it.
However, I finished it.
그렇지만 나는 그것을 끝마쳤다.
However, I got overconfident.
However, I got overconfident.
하지만 자신감이 과했다.
However, I have one condition.
However, I have one condition.
대신 조건이 있어요.
However, I missed one piece.
However, I missed one piece.
하지만 한 조각을 놓치고 말았다.
However, it is also understandable.
However, it is also understandable.
그러나 그 또한 이해할 수 있다.
However, it is very expensive.
However, it is very expensive.
하지만 수술 비용이 매우 비싸다.
However, it only got worse.
However, it only got worse.
하지만 더욱 악화되기만 했다.
However, it still stands today.
However, it still stands today.
하지만 그것은 오늘날에도 여전히 서 있습니다.
However, it was no use.
However, it was no use.
하지만 소용이 없었다.
However, it won't be cheap.
However, it won't be cheap.
하지만 가격이 싸지는 않을 것입니다.
However, it's a little pricey.
However, it's a little pricey.
근데 그곳은 좀 비쌌어.
However, its accuracy was poor.
However, its accuracy was poor.
하지만 그것의 정확도는 부족했습니다.
However, it's not always easy.
However, it's not always easy.
하지만 그것이 항상 쉬운 것은 아닙니다.
However, it's not over yet.
However, it's not over yet.
그러나 아직 끝난 것이 아니다.
However, it's too expensive.
However, it's too expensive.
하지만 너무 비용이 높다.
However, it's worth it.
However, it's worth it.
하지만 그럴 만한 가치가 있다.
However, I've phoned Varstead.
However, I've phoned Barstead.
아무튼 나는 바스테드에게 전화했어.
However, money is not everything.
However, money is not everything.
그러나 돈이 전부가 아니다.
However, more potential distractions loom.
However, more potential distractions loom.
그러나 더 큰 문제가 부상하고 있다.
However, not everyone can go.
However, not everyone can go.
그러나 모두가 갈 수 있는 것은 아니다.
However, not everyone is convinced.
However, not everyone is convinced.
하지만 모든 사람이 다 확신하는 것은 아니다.
However, nothing worked.
However, nothing worked.
하지만 아무것도 일어나지 않았습니다.
However, other experts criticized Verbeek.
However, other experts criticized Verbeek.
하지만 다른 전문가들은 베어백을 비판했다.
However, plans are just plans.
However, plans are just plans.
그렇지만 계획은 계획일 뿐입니다.
However, public outrage is mounting.
However, public outrage is mounting.
그러나 국민의 분노는 갈수록 커져만 가고 있다.
However, she lost both matches.
However, she lost both matches.
하지만 그녀는 이 두 번의 시합에서 졌다.
However, something just doesn't change.
However, something just doesn't change.
하지만 어떤 것은 여전히 그대로이다.
However, something unexpected happened.
However, something unexpected happened.
하지만 뜻밖의 일이 발생했다.
However, teachers are getting upset.
However, teachers are getting upset.
하지만 교사들은 화가 나고 있다.
However, that makes Spike angry.
However, that makes Spike angry.
그러나 이 때문에 스파이크의 분노를 산다.
However, that won't be possible.
However, that won't be possible.
하지만 그것은 불가능할 것입니다.
However, that's not really true.
However, that's not really true.
하지만 그것은 사실이 아닙니다.
However, the debate continues.
However, the debate continues.
그러나 논쟁은 계속되고 있다.
However, the insects quickly returned.
However, the insects quickly returned.
하지만 그 곤충은 재빨리 돌아왔다.
However, the journey was dangerous.
However, the journey was dangerous.
그러나 그 여정은 위험했습니다.
However, the sky train doesn't.
However, the sky train doesn't.
그러나 하늘기차는 그렇지 않다.
However, there is a trade-off.
However, there is a trade-off.
하지만 반대급부가 따른다.
However, there was one problem.
However, there was one problem.
하지만 한 가지 문제가 있었다.
However, these tumors are rare.
However, these tumors are rare.
하지만 이들 종양들은 드물게 발생한다.
However, they are not deaf.
However, they are not deaf.
하지만 뱀은 귀머거리가 아닙니다.
However, they are very smart.
However, they are very smart.
하지만 그들은 무척 똑똑해요.
However, they hurt my eyes.
However, they hurt my eyes.
하지만 눈이 아팠다.
However, they only look alike.
However, they only look alike.
그러나 그들은 서로 닮았을 뿐이다.
However, they take place slowly.
However, they take place slowly.
그러나 천천히 일어난다.
However, they turned him down.
However, they turned him down.
그러나 그들은 그의 부탁을 거절하였다.
However, they were quite expensive.
However, They were quite expensive.
하지만 그것들은 제법 값이 비쌌다.
However, this is impossible.
However, this is impossible.
하지만 이는 불가능하다.
However, this is seriously inaccurate.
However, this is seriously inaccurate.
하지만 잘못된 생각에 의해 실수를 하지 마세요.
However, this is very rare.
However, this is very rare.
하지만 이는 매우 드문 일이다.
However, this requires hot swappable hardware.
However, this requires hot swappable hardware.
그러나 이렇게 하려면 핫스왑 가능한 하드웨어가 필요합니다.
However, torture still occurs today.
However, torture still occurs today.
그러나 고문은 여전히 오늘날에도 일어나고 있다.
However, traveling has its hurdles.
However, traveling has its hurdles.
하지만 여행은 난관을 가지고 있습니다.
However, Uruguay did very poorly.
However, Uruguay did very poorly.
그러나 우루과이는 아주 초라한 성적을 거두었다.
However, we recommend quarterly.
However, we recommend quarterly.
그러나 분기별 보정 작업이 권장됩니다.
However,
However,
어쨌거나
how'll this do?
how'll this do?
이거 어떻게 도움이 될까요?
How are the kids doing?
How are the kids doing?
아이들도 모두 잘 있나요?
How are things at work?
How are things at work?
직장 어때?
How are things going with you?
How are things going with you?
나와 함께 가는 게 어때?
How are things going?
How are things going?
어떻게 지내십니까?
How are things with you?
How are things with you?
하시는 일은 잘 되어 갑니까?
How are those sheep of yours?
How are those sheep of yours?
자네의 그 양떼는 어떻게 하고 있나?
How are you and your family?
How are you and your family?
댁내 모두 안녕하신가요?
How are you been doing?
How are you been doing?
어떻게 지내셨어요?
How are you doing in school?
How are you doing in school?
너 공부 잘하니?
How are you doing? I'm okay.
How are you doing? I'm okay.
기분 어때?
How are you feeling?
How are you feeling?
좀 어때요?
How are you gonna do it?
How are you going to do it?
그걸 어떻게 하겠다는 거지?
How are you gonna do that?
How are you going to do that?
어떻게 그렇게 하실 겁니까?
How are you gonna persuade mom?
How are you going to persuade mom?
엄마를 어떻게 설득할 거니?
How are you gonna tell him?
How are you going to tell him?
그 사람한테 어떻게 말할 거야?
How are your folks?
How are your folks?
가족들은 안녕하신가요?
How are your steak fingers?
How are your steak fingers?
당신의 작은 스테이크 조각은 어때요?
How's your business?
How's your business?
요즘 경기가 어떻습니까?
How's business going?
How's business going?
사업이 어떻게 되어 갑니까?
How's business in Korea lately?
How's business in Korea lately?
요즘 한국 경기는 어떻습니까?
How's business these days?
How's business these days?
요즘의 사업은 어때?
How's business with you?
How's business with you?
일 어떻게 되어 가요?
How's business these days?
How's business these days?
요즘 사업은 어때?
How's business?
How's business?
사업이 어떻습니까?
How's business? No complaints.
How's business? No complaints.
장사가 어때? 별 불평 없어.
How's by you?
How's by you?
어떻게 지내십니까?
How's English class going?
How's English class going?
영어 수업은 어때?
How's everybody at your house?
How's everybody at your house?
댁의 식구들은 잘 있습니까?
How's everyone feeling?
How's everyone feeling?
다들 어때요?
How's everyone getting along?
How's everyone getting along?
모두들 잘 지내시는지요?
How's everything at home?
How's everything at home?
가정생활은 어때요?
How's everything at school?
How's everything at school?
학교 생활은 어때요?
How's everything at work?
How's everything at work?
회사 일은 어때요?
How's everything at your house?
How's everything at your house?
어떻게 지내십니까?
How's everything going these days?
How's everything going these days?
요즘 어떻게 지내?
How's everything today?
How's everything today?
오늘은 어떠세요?
How's everything with you?
How's everything with you?
어떻게 지내십니까?
How's everything with your family?
How's everything with your family?
댁의 가족들은 안녕하신가요?
How's everything, sir?
How's everything, sir?
어떻게 지내세요, 선생님?
How's everything?
How's everything?
어떠세요?
How's everything? How's everything going?
How's everything? How's everything going?
근황은 어떻습니까?
How's food?
How's food?
음식 어때요?
How's Fred doing, doctor?
How's Fred doing, doctor?
의사 선생님, 프레드는 어떤가요?
How's he doing anyway?
How's he doing anyway?
그건 그렇고, 이 녀석은 어때?
How's he doing?
How's he doing?
그는 어떻게 지내니?
How's he shaping up?
How's he shaping up?
그는 어떻게 발전하고 있나요?
How's her looks?
How's her looks?
그 여자 외모는 어때요?
How's it come along?
How's it come along?
그건 어떻게 되어가지?
How's it going in here?
How's it going in here?
여기는 어떻게 돼가고 있어?
How's it going in there?
How's it going in there?
무슨 얘기 중이래요?
How's it going, Steve?
How's it going, Steve?
스티브 잘 지내지?
How's it going there, Arthur?
How's it going there, Arthur?
이봐. 요즘 어떻게 지내는가, 아서?
How's it going with her?
How's it going with her?
그 여자랑 어떻게 되어가?
How's it going with him?
How's it going with him?
그 남자와 잘 돼가세요?
How's it going, Chris?
How's it going, Chris?
크리스, 요즘 어때?
How's it going?
How's it going?
어떻게 되고 있어?
How's it going? Good.
How's it going? Good.
잘 돼가? 그래,
How's it hanging?
How's it hanging?
어땠어요?
How's it looking?
How's it looking?
어때 보여요?
How's it? Feels good.
How's it? Feels good.
느낌이 어때? 느낌 좋아.
How's Jessica?
How's Jessica?
제시카는 어때?
How's learning Korean?
How's learning Korean?
한국어 배울만 해요.
How's life going?
How's life going?
요새 사는 건 어때?
How's life in Korea?
How's life in Korea?
한국 생활이 어떻습니까?
How's married life going?
How's married life going?
결혼 생활은 어때?
How's Mary doing?
How's Mary doing?
메리는 어떻게 지냅니까?
How's mom holding up?
How's mom holding up?
엄마는 어떻게 지내십니까?
How's mom holding up?
How's mom holding up?
엄마는 어떻게 지내세요?
How's my blood pressure?
How's my blood pressure?
혈압이 어떤가요?
How's my cooking?
How's my cooking?
내 음식 솜씨가 어때?
How's outside?
How's outside?
날씨는 어때요?
How's overseas life going?
How's overseas life going?
해외 생활은 어때?
How's school these days?
How's school these days?
요즘 학교 생활은 어때요?
How's school?
How's school?
학교 생활 어떠니?
How's she going?
How's she going?
그녀는 어떻게 지내?
How's she now?
How's she now?
그녀는 지금 어때요?
How's she running?
How's she running?
내 차 잘 굴러다니니?
How's that again?
How's that again?
뭐라고요?
How's that for your problem?
How's that for your problem?
내 문제는 변명의 여지가 없는 게 아닌가?
How's that going to be?
How's that going to be?
어떻게 될까?
How's that going?
How's that going?
그건 어때?
How's that gym you use?
How's that gym you use?
다니는 헬스클럽은 어때요?
How's that relationship going?
How's that relationship going?
그 사람과의 관계는 어떻게 되어가고 있어?
How's that sound?
How's that sound?
어떻게 생각하세요?
How's that?
How's that?
뭐라고요? 다시 한번 말해주세요.
How's the your family?
How's the your family?
가족들은 다 잘 지내죠?
How's the baby?
How's the baby?
아기는 어때요?
How's the bath water?
How's the bath water?
욕조물은 어떻습니까?
How's the bath?
How's the bath?
목욕물이 어떤가?
How's the book?
How's the book?
책 재미있어?
How's the business over here?
How's the business over here?
여기 사업은 잘 돼요?
How's the catch?
How's the catch?
고기 좀 잡으셨어요?
How's the cold?
How's the cold?
감기는 어때요?
How's the company buyout going?
How's the company buyout going?
그 회사 주식을 사들이는 것은 어떻게 되고 있어요?
How's the family?
How's the family?
가족들은 안녕하신가요?
How's the finance report coming?
How's the finance report coming?
격리 보고서는 어떻게 되어가고 있나?
How's the fit?
How's the fit?
어때요? 잘 맞습니까?
How's the food?
How's the food?
음식 맛 어때?
How's the homework coming along?
How's the homework coming along?
숙제 다 해가니?
How's the job hunting going?
How's the job hunting going?
직장 구하는 일은 어떻게 되어가죠?
How's the market these days?
How's the market these days?
요즘 시장 경제는 어때?
How's the married life?
How's the married life?
결혼 생활은 어때요?
How's the match going?
How's the match going?
경기 어떻게 돼가요?
How's the morning sickness?
How's the morning sickness?
입덧은 어때요?
How's the new apartment?
How's the new apartment?
새 아파트는 어때요?
How's the new job going?
How's the new job going?
새 직장은 어때요?
How's the patient?
How's the patient?
환자는 어떤가요?
How's the pro bono going?
How's the pro bono going?
무료 변호 어떻게 되고 있어?
How's the project going?
How's the project going?
프로젝트는 잘 되고 있나요?
How's the relationship between you?
How's the relationship between you?
너희 둘 사이는 어때?
How's the speech going?
How's the speech going?
발표는 잘했니?
How's the stock market?
How's the stock market?
증권 시장 어때?
How's the taste?
How's the taste?
맛이 어때?
How's the time?
How's the time?
시간이 어떠세요?
How's the traffic outside?
How's the traffic outside?
밖에 교통이 어때요?
How's the weather for tomorrow?
How's the weather for tomorrow?
내일 날씨가 어떻습니까?
How's the weather in Korea?
How's the weather in Korea?
한국의 날씨는 어때요?
How's the weather in spring?
How's the weather in spring?
봄에는 날씨가 어떻습니까?
How's the weather in Toronto?
How's the weather in Toronto?
토론토의 날씨는 어떻습니까?
How's the weather in Vancouver?
How's the weather in Vancouver?
밴쿠버 날씨는 어때요?
How's the weather outside?
How's the weather outside?
밖에 날씨가 어때?
How's the weather over there?
How's the weather over there?
그곳 날씨는 어때요?
How's the weather there?
How's the weather there?
거기 날씨는 어때요?
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
오늘 날씨는 어떻습니까?
How's the weather tomorrow?
How's the weather tomorrow?
내일 날씨가 어떻대요?
How's the weather?
How's the weather?
오늘 날씨가 어때요?
How's the weather in Singapore?
How's the weather in Singapore?
싱가포르의 날씨는 어떻습니까?
How's the wife?
How's the wife?
부인께서도 안녕하신가요?
How's the world treating you?
How's the world treating you?
그동안 어떻게 지내셨어요?
How's this concern me?
How's this concern me?
이것이 저와 무슨 상관이 있습니까?
How's this yellow one?
How's this yellow one?
이 노란 것은 어떻습니까?
How's today's weather?
How's today's weather?
오늘 날씨는 어때요?
How's trick?
How's trick?
어떻게 지내십니까?
How's tricks?
How's tricks?
뭐 재미있는 일 없냐?
How's university life this year?
How's university life this year?
올해 대학 생활이 어때?
How's weather now? It's cloudy.
How's weather now? It's cloudy.
지금 날씨가 어때? 흐려.
How's with you, old buddy?
How's with you, old buddy?
어떻게 지내나, 친구.
How's work going these days?
How's work going these days?
요즘 일은 어때요?
How's work treating you?
How's work treating you?
일하는 건 어때?
How's work with you?
How's work with you?
하시는 일은 어때요?
How's work?
How's work?
직장 생활 어때요?
How's your appetite?
How's your appetite?
식욕은 어때요?
How's your bad back?
How's your bad back?
당신의 아픈 허리는 어때요?
How's your beauty parlor doing?
How's your beauty parlor doing?
미장원 경기가 어떻습니까?
How's your brother doing?
How's your brother doing?
형은 어떻게 지내냐?
How's your burger?
How's your burger?
햄버거 어때?
How's your business coming along?
How's your business coming along?
당신 사업은 어떻게 돼가고 있나요?
How's your business coming?
How's your business coming?
자네 새로 시작한 사업은 어떤가?
How's your business going?
How's your business going?
사업은 어때요?
How's your business?
How's your business?
사업은 잘 돼갑니까?
How's your car running?
How's your car running?
당신 차의 성능은 어떻습니까?
How's your car?
How's your car?
차는 어때?
How's your cat?
How's your cat?
내 고양이는 어때?
How's your class going?
How's your class going?
수업은 어떻게 돼가요?
How's your dad?
How's your dad?
아빠는 요즘 어떠시니?
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
오늘 어때?
How's your digestion?
How's your digestion?
소화는 잘 되세요?
How's your family, Ted?
How's your family, Ted?
가족들은 어떻게 지내?
How's your family?
How's your family?
가족들은 안녕하신가요?
How's your father doing?
How's your father doing?
아버님은 어떻게 지내시냐?
How's your folks?
How's your folks?
부모님은 잘 계셔?
How's your food?
How's your food?
음식이 어때요?
How's your German?
How's your German?
독일어 잘해요.
How's your health?
How's your health?
건강이 어떠십니까?
How's your husband?
How's your husband?
남편분께선 좀 어떠세요?
How's your job hunt coming along?
How's your job hunt coming along?
일자리 찾는 건 어떻게 될까요?
How's your job hunting going?
How's your job hunting going?
일자리 찾는 건 잘 돼가?
How's your leg?
How's your leg?
다리는 좀 어때?
How's your life going?
How's your life going?
어떻게 지내세요?
How's your marriage?
How's your marriage?
결혼 생활은 좀 어때?
How's your mom holding up?
How's your mom holding up?
엄만 잘 견디고 있니?
How's your morning sickness?
How's your morning sickness?
내 입덧은 좀 어때?
How's your mother?
How's your mother?
어머님께서는 안녕하시지요?
How's your nephew doing?
How's your nephew doing?
내 조카 잘 있니?
How's your new apartment downtown?
How's your new apartment downtown?
시내에 있는 새 아파트 어때요?
How's your new apartment?
How's your new apartment?
이사간 새 아파트 어때요?
How's your new business going?
How's your new business going?
새로운 사업은 어때?
How's your new car?
How's your new car?
새로 산 차 어때요?
How's your new company doing?
How's your new company doing?
새로 차린 회사 요즘 어때?
How's your new job going?
How's your new job going?
새 직장은 어때?
How's your new job?
How's your new job?
새 직장은 어때요?
How's your new motorcycle?
How's your new motorcycle?
새 오토바이는 어때?
How's your new place?
How's your new place?
새 집은 어때요?
How's your new putter?
How's your new putter?
새 퍼터는 어때요?
How's your new roommate?
How's your new roommate?
새 룸메이트 어때?
How's your pain?
How's your pain?
아픈 건 어때요?
How's your paper coming along?
How's your paper coming along?
당신 리포트는 어떻게 돼가고 있나요?
How's your photography class going?
How's your photography class going?
사진 수업은 어때요?
How's your physical condition?
How's your physical condition?
몸 상태는 어때요?
How's your practice going?
How's your practice going?
연습은 어떻게 되어가니?
How's your project going?
How's your project going?
프로젝트는 어떻게 되어가고 있어?
How's your report going?
How's your report going?
보고서는 어떻게 되어가고 있나요?
How's your report working out?
How's your report working out?
보고서 잘 되어가세요?
How's your research coming along?
How's your research coming along?
연구는 잘 됩니까?
How's your schedule?
How's your schedule?
당신 스케줄은 어때요?
How's your school?
How's your school?
학교에서의 생활은 어떤가요?
How's your semester going, John?
How's your semester going, John?
이번 학기는 어떻게 지내고 있니, 준?
How's your sister doing?
How's your sister doing?
누이는 어떻게 지내요?
How's your son doing?
How's your son doing?
내 아들은 어때?
How's your son?
How's your son?
아드님은 어떠세요?
How's your Spanish class going?
How's your Spanish class going?
스페인어 수업은 잘 돼 갑니까?
How's your speech yesterday?
How's your speech yesterday?
어제 발표는 어땠니?
How's your toothache?
How's your toothache?
치통은 좀 어때?
How's your vacation going?
How's your vacation going?
내 휴가는 어때?
How's your wedlock coming?
How's your wedlock coming?
결혼 생활이 어떻습니까?
How's your work going?
How's your work going?
일은 어때?
How's your work in school?
How's your work in school?
학교에서 공부는 잘하니?
How's your workout going?
How's your workout going?
운동 잘 되세요?
How's yourself?
How's yourself?
안녕하십니까? How are you에 대한 대답.
Have you been?
How've you been?
어떻게 지냈니?
HP has patched these vulnerabilities.
HP has patched these vulnerabilities.
HP는 이러한 취약성에 대해 패치를 적용했습니다.
HR/Human Resources Department.
HR/Human Resources Department.
인사과.
HRM, mind your tongue, human.
HRM, mind your tongue, human.
말 조심해, 인간.
Huo, I love it.
Huo, I love it.
오, 이거 정말 마음에 든다.
Who, got ya.
Who, got ya.
물론 그렇겠지?
Huddle clothes into a trunk.
Huddle clothes into a trunk.
옷을 트렁크 속에 마구 쳐넣다.
Huddle up.
Huddle up.
모여봐. 다 모여봐.
Huddle up. Practice.
Huddle up. Practice.
모여. 연습해.
Huddled figures in shop doorways.
Huddled figures in shop doorways.
가게 문간에 옹송그리고 있는 모습들.
Huff hates pulling out teeth.
Huff hates pulling out teeth.
허프는 이를 빼는 걸 싫어한다.
Huffing and puffing.
Huffing and puffing.
속이 빤히 보이는 공갈.
Hug each other.
Hug each other.
서로 안아.
Hug each other.
Hug each other.
서로 안아주세요.
Hug for her.
Hug for her.
그녀를 안아주고 너는 굴러오기.
Huge amounts of data.
Huge amounts of data.
엄청난 양의 데이터.
Huge enough not to lose.
Huge enough not to lose.
워낙 커서 잃어버릴 염려는 없습니다.
Huge flakes of flames.
Huge flakes of flames.
엄청나게 큰 화염 덩어리.
Huge waves hit the coastline.
Huge waves hit the coastline.
거대한 파도가 해안선을 덮쳤다.
Huge waves lashed the shore.
Huge waves lashed the shore.
거대한 파도가 해안을 후려쳤다.
Huge waves washed him overboard.
Huge waves washed him overboard.
거대한 파도에 휩쓸려 그가 물에 빠졌다.
Hugely entertaining, slash important slash popular slash successful.
Hugely entertaining, slash important slash popular slash successful.
엄청나게 재미있는, 중요한 인기 있는 성공한.
Hugh Grant.
Hugh Grant.
휴 그랜트야.
Haha, Mike.
Haha, Mike.
호호. 마이크.
Huh, Chandler. You're home.
Huh, Chandler. You're home.
챈들러. 어떻게 온 거야?
Huh, sneaky.
Huh, sneaky.
아. 교묘한 것.
Huh, some gentleman.
Huh, some gentleman.
지가 뭐 신사라고.
Huh, what a great idea.
Huh, what a great idea.
야. 정말 기발한 생각이야.
Huh, where's the dog?
Huh, where's the dog?
걔는 어디 있지?
Huh, and no cuddling.
Huh, and no cuddling.
그리고 포옹도 안 할 거야.
Huh, check me out.
Huh, check me out.
나 좀 봐.
Huh, didn't see that coming.
Huh, didn't see that coming.
헉, 이렇게 될 줄은 몰랐는데.
Huh, good luck.
Huh, good luck.
흥, 잘 먹고 잘 사슈.
Huh, I never really noticed.
Huh, I never really noticed.
그런 소린 한 번도 못 들어봤는데.
Huh, we have a problem.
Huh, we have a problem.
허, 문제네 정말.
Huh, weather bitch.
Huh, weather bitch.
엿 같은 기상 캐스터 같으니라고.
Huh, well, look at you.
Huh, well, look at you.
오, 이것 좀 보게.
Huh, meddler. Meddler.
Huh, meddler. Meddler.
와, 참견꾼. 참견꾼.
Huh, nice to meet you.
Huh, nice to meet you.
만나서 반갑습니다.
Huh, that's nice.
Huh, that's nice.
그랬군요.
Huh, this is nice.
Huh, this is nice.
이거 좋네.
Huh, wow, that's great.
Huh, wow, that's great.
와 멋진데.
Huh, what a loser.
Huh, what a loser.
바보 같은 친구.
Huh, come here, sit down.
Huh, come here, sit down.
이리 와서 앉아.
Huh, all right then.
Huh, all right then.
어쨌든 잘했어.
Huh, are you a fan?
Huh, are you a fan?
팬이에요.
Huh, I didn't touch anything.
Huh, I didn't touch anything.
어머. 아무것도 건드리지 않았는데요.
Huh, is that a gag?
Huh, is that a gag?
응. 개그야?
Huh, that's kind of racist.
Huh, that's kind of racist.
엥. 일종의 인종차별 아닌가요?
Huh, they have a sports team.
Huh, they have a sports team.
거긴 스포츠팀도 있다고.
Huh, what did you say?
Huh, what did you say?
무슨 말씀을 하셨죠?
Huh, yeah, yes, of course.
Huh, yeah, yes, of course.
뭐. 그럼. 물론이지.
Huh, you're dodging?
Huh, you're dodging?
어라. 피해.
Hum a baby to sleep.
Hum a baby to sleep.
자장가를 흥얼거리며 아기를 재우다.
Hum a tune.
Hum a tune.
멜로디를 흥얼거리다.
Hum songs to oneself.
Hum songs to oneself.
혼자서 노래들을 흥얼거리다.
Hum, she's a good girl.
Hum, she's a good girl.
그녀는 착한 소녀야.
Hum,
Hum,
human anatomy.
human anatomy.
인체 해부학.
Human beings are infinitely adaptable.
Human beings are infinitely adaptable.
인간은 적응력이 한이 없다.
Human beings enter into relationships.
Human beings enter into relationships.
인간은 관계를 이루면 산다.
Human frailty.
Human frailty.
인간적 약점.
Human hospital.
Human hospital.
인간 중심적인 측면에서 본 병원 건축.
Human immunodeficiency virus or HIV.
Human immunodeficiency virus or HIV.
인체 면역 결핍 바이러스, 즉 HIV.
Human longevity runs in families.
Human longevity runs in families.
사람의 장수는 집안 내력이다.
Human nature is frail.
Human nature is frail.
인간성은 손상되기 쉽다, 유약한 것이다.
Human patience has its limits.
Human patience has its limits.
인내에도 한도가 있다.
Human rights are universally valued.
Human rights are universally valued.
인권은 보편적인 가치이다.
Human rights are untakeawayable.
Human rights are untakeawayable.
인권은 빼앗길 수 없는 것이다.
Human weaknesses / failings.
Human weaknesses / failings.
인간적인 약점.
Humanity has become narcissistic.
Humanity has become narcissistic.
인류는 자기도취에 빠졌다.
Humans are highly intelligent animals.
Humans are highly intelligent animals.
인간은 고도의 지능을 가진 동물이다.
Humans are preoccupied with money.
Humans are preoccupied with money.
인간들은 돈에 마음을 빼앗깁니다.
Humans are so fickle.
Humans are so fickle.
사람이란 참 간사한 동물입니다.
Humans can be found everywhere.
Humans can be found everywhere.
인간은 어디에서나 발견될 수 있다.
Humans can do anything.
Humans can do anything.
인간은 무엇이든 할 수 있습니다.
Humans can't live forever.
Humans can't live forever.
사람이 천만년 살 수는 없다.
Humans causing mass species extinction.
Humans causing mass species extinction.
인류가 엄청난 종의 멸종의 원인이 되는 시기.
Humans could train them easily.
Humans could train them easily.
인간은 그들을 쉽게 훈련시킬 수 있었다.
Humans don't eat cats.
Humans don't eat cats.
인간은 고양이를 먹지 않는다.
Humble countenance merely facing facts.
Humble countenance merely facing facts.
단지 사실에 직면한 겸손한 얼굴.
Humble yourself.
Humble yourself.
겸손하게 굴어라.
Humbug.
Humbug.
쓸데없는 소리 마라.
Humbug slash nonsense slash stuff and nonsense.
Humbug slash nonsense slash stuff and nonsense.
개수작 마라.
Humidifiers surely need regular maintenance.
Humidifiers surely need regular maintenance.
가습기는 확실히 정기적으로 관리해줘야 돼.
Humidifiers surely need regular maintenance.
Humidifiers surely need regular maintenance.
가습기는 확실히 정기적으로 관리해줘야 해.
Humility comes before honor.
Humility comes before honor.
명예를 추구하기 전에 겸손해야 한다.
Humility is a virtue.
Humility is a virtue.
겸손은 미덕입니다.
Hummingbirds drink with forks.
Hummingbirds drink with forks.
벌새는 포크로 꿀을 마셔요.
Humor me.
Humor me.
비위 좀 맞춰줘.
Humor replenishes the mind's energy.
Humor replenishes the mind's energy.
이것은 마음의 에너지를 다시 채워줍니다.
Humor will energize your mind.
Humor will energize your mind.
유머는 여러분의 마음에 활기를 불어 넣어줄 것입니다.
Hump day.
Hump day.
수요병이네요.
Humpback whales are really big.
Humpback whales are really big.
혹등고래는 몸집이 굉장히 큽니다.
Humus enriches soil.
Humus enriches soil.
부식토는 토지를 비옥하게 한다.
131.
131.
131번이야.
Hundreds of activists were detained.
Hundreds of activists were detained.
수백 명의 시위자들이 체포 구속됐습니다.
Hunger and malnutrition were widespread.
Hunger and malnutrition were widespread.
기아와 영양 실조가 널리 퍼졌다.
Hunger compelled him to surrender.
Hunger compelled him to surrender.
그는 허기져서 항복하지 않을 수 없었다.
Hunger drives one to steal.
Hunger drives one to steal.
배가 고프면 도둑질을 하게 된다.
Hunger drove her to steal.
Hunger drove her to steal.
배고픔이 그녀를 도둑질을 하도록 몰아갔다.
Hunger drove him to steal.
Hunger drove him to steal.
배고픔 때문에 그는 도둑질을 했다.
Hunger drove him to surrender.
Hunger drove him to surrender.
배고픔은 그를 항복하도록 몰아갔다.
Hunger is the best sauce.
Hunger is the best sauce.
시장이 반찬이다.
Hunger made him hallucinate.
Hunger made him hallucinate.
배고픔 때문에 그는 환각 상태에 빠졌다.
Hunger makes men desperate.
Hunger makes men desperate.
굶주리게 되면 누구나 필사적이 된다.
Hunger pangs slash pangs of hunger.
Hunger pangs slash pangs of hunger.
극심한 배고픔, 공복통.
Hunger strikes demands self-control.
Hunger strikes demand self-control.
단식 투쟁은 자제력이 필요하다.
Hungry as a hawk slash hunter.
Hungry as a hawk slash hunter.
몹시 시장한.
Hunt one's horse in winter.
Hunt one's horse in winter.
겨울에 말을 타고 사냥하다.
Hunt, you hear me?
Hunt, you hear me?
헌트, 너는 내 말 들려?
Hunter, hunter, don't worry.
Hunter, hunter, don't worry.
걱정하지 마, 헌터.
Hunters still wear masks today.
Hunters still wear masks today.
사냥꾼들은 오늘날에도 여전히 가면을 쓴다.
Hunters tracking and shooting bears.
Hunters tracking and shooting bears.
곰을 뒤쫓으며 사냥하는 사냥꾼들.
Hunting is a captivating sport.
Hunting is a captivating sport.
사냥은 매력적인 스포츠입니다.
Hunting lions is an adventure.
Hunting lions is an adventure.
사자 사냥은 하나의 모험이다.
Hurrah for Smith.
Hurrah for Smith.
스미스군 만세.
Hurrah for the holidays.
Hurrah for the holidays.
야호, 휴가다.
Hurrah for the king/queen.
Hurrah for the king/queen.
국왕, 여왕, 만세.
Hurrah for the king.
Hurrah for the king.
국왕 만세.
Hurrah for Toby.
Hurrah for Toby.
토비 만세.
Hurrah.
Hurrah.
만세.
Hurrah. Give me 5.
Hurrah. Give me 5.
만세. 손바닥 대봐.
Hurrah. I became herald again.
Hurrah. I became herald again.
만세. 다시 헤럴드가 됐다.
Hurrah. Hurrah. Hurrah.
Hurrah. Hurrah. Hurrah.
만세. 만세. 만세.
Hooray.
Hooray.
만세.
Hooray.
Hooray.
빨리요.
Hurried hands.
Hurried hands.
다급한 손짓.
Hurry and call an ambulance.
Hurry and call an ambulance.
서둘러서 구급차를 불러.
Hurry and clean up.
Hurry and clean up.
서둘러서 씻어요.
Hurry and get dressed.
Hurry and get dressed.
서둘러서 옷을 입어요.
Hurry and get in.
Hurry and get in.
빨리 타.
Hurry and get ready.
Hurry and get ready.
빨리 서둘러 챙겨.
Hurry and go to bed.
Hurry and go to bed.
서둘러서 잠자리에 들어요.
Hurry and wake up, Suyeon.
Hurry and wake up, Suyeon.
빨리 일어나요, 수연 언니.
Hurry and wake up.
Hurry and wake up.
너 빨리 일어나라.
Hurry back and don't dawdle.
Hurry back and don't dawdle.
늑장 부리지 말고 얼른 다녀와라.
Hurry back.
Hurry back.
빨리 복귀하세요.
Hurry back.
Hurry back.
서둘러 돌아와요.
Hurry home.
Hurry home.
서둘러 집에 와요.
Hurry up and cover him.
Hurry up and cover him.
빨리 가려줘.
Hurry up and get dressed.
Hurry up and get dressed.
즉, 빨리 옷 입어라.
Hurry up and get going.
Hurry up and get going.
뭐해? 빨리 출발하지 않고.
Hurry up and say something.
Hurry up and say something.
빨리 뭐라도 얘기해봐요.
Hurry up and show us.
Hurry up and show us.
빨리 보여줘.
Hurry up and sleep.
Hurry up and sleep.
빨리 자.
Hurry up and sleep. Okay.
Hurry up and sleep. Okay.
얼른 주무세요. 알겠죠?
Hurry up and sleep, everyone.
Hurry up and sleep, everyone.
빨리 자요, 여러분.
Hurry up and sleep.
Hurry up and sleep.
얼른 자세요.
Hurry up and sleep.
Hurry up and sleep.
얼른 자라고요.
Hurry up and take it.
Hurry up and take it.
얼른 수습해 오세요.
Hurry up and wake up.
Hurry up and wake up.
빨리 일어나.
Hurry up, I gotta pray.
Hurry up, I gotta pray.
어서요. 가서 기도해야 한다고.
Hurry up, please.
Hurry up, please.
좀 빨리 가주세요.
Hurry up to school.
Hurry up to school.
얼른 학교 가.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
빨리 서둘러.
Hurry up. Go to it.
Hurry up. Go to it.
서둘러. 어서 일을 시작해.
Hurry up. We're waiting.
Hurry up. We're waiting.
서둘러. 우리 기다리잖아.
Hurry up, /be quick, /sharps the word.
Hurry up. /be quick. /sharps the word.
빨랑빨랑해.
Hurry up and take videos.
Hurry up and take videos.
빨리 동영상 찍으세요.
Hurry up, man alive.
Hurry up. Man alive.
어서, 어이, 서둘러.
Hurry up, please.
Hurry up, please.
서둘러 주세요.
Hurry up, we're already late.
Hurry up, we're already late.
서둘러. 우린 이미 늦었어.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
빨리 해. 서둘러라.
Hurry up. I'm waiting.
Hurry up. I'm waiting.
빨리 해. 기다리잖아.
Hurry up. This can't wait.
Hurry up. This can't wait.
서둘러. 급한 일이야.
Hurry, call a teacher.
Hurry, call a teacher.
얼른 선생님 불러.
Hurry, get her.
Hurry, get her.
빨리 잡아.
Hurry, get on. Rock, paper, scissors.
Hurry, get on. Rock, paper, scissors.
빨리 타. 빨리. 가위바위보 하자.
Hurry, I'm running on batteries.
Hurry, I'm running on batteries.
빨리 해. 나 지금 배터리 없단 말이야.
Hurry, it's on a timer.
Hurry, it's on a timer.
서둘러. 타이머가 돌아가고 있어?
Hurry, let's go.
Hurry, let's go.
서둘러요. 가죠.
Hurry, please. Please hurry.
Hurry, please. Please hurry.
서둘러 주세요.
Hurt deeply in his heart.
Hurt deeply in his heart.
그의 가슴에 못을 박다.
Hutton runs off my shoulders.
Hutton runs off my shoulders.
아픔이 사라져 버리네요.
Husband one's resources.
Husband one's resources.
재원을 절약하다.
Husband one's supplies.
Husband one's supplies.
물자를 아끼다.
Husbands are a sorry lot.
Husbands are a sorry lot.
남편들은 불쌍하다.
Hush up.
Hush up.
입을 다물어라.
Hush up, boy.
Hush up, boy.
조용히 떠들지 마.
Hush your mouth.
Hush your mouth.
입 다물어.
Hush.
Hush.
쉬.
Hush. Be quiet.
Hush. Be quiet.
쉬. 조용히 해라.
Hush. Don't make a voice.
Hush. Don't make a voice.
쉬. 목소리를 내지 마라.
Hush. She is sleeping now.
Hush. She is sleeping now.
쉬. 지금 자고 있단다.
Hush. Walk quietly.
Hush. Walk quietly.
도서관에서 신발을 질질 끌고 다니지 마세요.
Hush. /quiet. /silence.
Hush. /quiet. /silence.
조용히 해.
Hush. Walk quietly.
Hush. Walk quietly.
도서관에서 신발을 질질 끌고 다니지 마세요.
Hustle and bustle.
Hustle and bustle.
많은 활동, 번잡함, 혼잡함, 활기가 넘치는.
Hustle it up.
Hustle it up.
자, 기운을 내서 해치우시오.
Hustle up in here.
Hustle up in here.
서둘러.
Hustle your work along.
Hustle your work along.
일을 서둘러라.
Hustle.
Hustle.
서둘러.
HVAC system of department store.
HVAC system of department store.
백화점의 공조 설비 시스템.
Huang's English name is Angela.
Huang's English name is Angela.
환양의 영어 이름은 엔젤라이다.
Wayan is suffering from enteritis.
Wayan is suffering from enteritis.
화연님 장염 걸렸대요.
Hyacinths bloom in the spring.
Hyacinths bloom in the spring.
히아신스는 봄에 핀다.
Hyde has gone berserk.
Hyde has gone berserk.
하이드는 광포해졌다.
Hyde Park.
Hyde Park.
하이드 파크, 공원.
Hydrogen is lighter than air.
Hydrogen is lighter than air.
수소는 공기보다 가볍다.
Hyde, you gotta poop.
Hyde, you gotta poop.
해주 응아 쌌어.
Hyben decided on her own.
Hyben decided on her own.
혜빈이가 독단적으로 한 거야.
Hyland's gaze is great.
Hyland's gaze is great.
혜린이 눈빛 좋네요.
Hyrie bullied me yesterday.
Hyrie bullied me yesterday.
혜리가 어제 괴롭혔어요.
Hywon joined a health club.
Hywon joined a health club.
혜원이는 헬스클럽에 가입했다.
Hyajung, hurry up and sleep.
Hyajung, hurry up and sleep.
효정아, 빨리 자.
Hyperindividualism is harmful to societies.
Hyperindividualism is harmful to societies.
초계인주의는 우리 사회에 해롭다.
Hypertension and exercise prescription.
Hypertension and exercise prescription.
고혈압 환자에 대한 운동요법의 유용성.
Hypervolcanic eruptions can cause earthquakes.
Hypervolcanic eruptions can cause earthquakes.
초하산 폭발은 지진을 일으킬 수 있다.
Hyunbin's eyes are weird.
Hyunbin's eyes are weird.
권현빈 눈빛이 이상해.
Hyun kicked her by mistake.
Hyun kicked her by mistake.
현이가 잘못해서 그 애를 찼어요.
Hyundai called off 3,000 cars.
Hyundai called off 3,000 cars.
현대는 차 3,000대를 리콜했다.
Hyundai's union should listen.
Hyundai's union should listen.
현대 자동차 노조는 이 말을 귀담아 들어야 한다.
Hyung didn't know either.
Hyung didn't know either.
형도 몰랐어.
Hyung, please be the Wi-Fi.
Hyung, please be the Wi-Fi.
형 자체 와이파이 해줘요.
Hyung, you saw mine, right?
Hyung, you saw mine, right?
형 내 카톡 봤지?
Hyunsuk is calling.
Hyunsuk is calling.
현석이한테 전화 왔어요.
I/we/you/he she they got a windfall.
I/we/you/he she they got a windfall.
호박이 넝쿨째로 굴러 떨어졌다.
I can assure you.
I can't assure you.
내가 장담할 수 있다. 정말 틀림없다.
I can relate to that.
I can relate to that.
저도 공감해요.
I can smell something burning.
I can smell something burning.
뭔가 타는 냄새가 난다.
I have got your back.
I have got your back.
나는 내 편이다.
I was nearly/almost drowned.
I was nearly/almost drowned.
하마터면 익사할 뻔했다.
I will tell you what.
I will tell you what.
있잖아, 제안할 때 실은 이렇다.
I abhor/detest it.
I abhor/detest it.
난 그게 몹시 싫다.
I abhor apple polishing my boss.
I abhor apple polishing my boss.
내 상사한테 아첨하는 것은 죽기보다 싫다.
I abhor bullying and discrimination.
I abhor bullying and discrimination.
나는 괴롭히고 차별하는 것이 정말 싫어.
I abhor snakes.
I abhor snakes.
난 뱀이 질색이다.
I abominate dancing.
I abominate dancing.
난 춤추는 걸 혐오한다.
I absolutely believe that.
I absolutely believe that.
난 절대적으로 그걸 믿어.
I absolutely clam up.
I absolutely clam up.
난 절대로 입을 열지 않는다.
I absolutely don't understand.
I absolutely don't understand.
나는 도저히 이해가 가지 않아.
I absolutely refute that.
I absolutely refute that.
저는 그것을 전적으로 부인합니다.
I abstain from fish.
I abstain from fish.
난 생선을 먹지 않는다.
I accept your apology.
I accept your apology.
마음은 알겠어요.
I accept your offer.
I accept your offer.
당신의 제안에 따르겠습니다.
I accepted all Facebook requests.
I accepted all Facebook requests.
페이스북은 다 받았는데 친구는 다 받고 있어요.
I accepted his proposal.
I accepted his proposal.
그의 청혼을 받아들였다.
I accepted the invitation thankfully.
I accepted the invitation thankfully.
나는 그 초대에 기꺼이 응했다.
I accepted the offer tentatively.
I accepted the offer tentatively.
나는 망설이며 그 제안을 받아들였다.
I accidentally bumped into him.
I accidentally bumped into him.
내가 우연히 그 사람과 마주쳤어.
I accidentally cut myself.
I accidentally cut myself.
저 혼자서 실수로 잘렸어요.
I accidentally met him there.
I accidentally met him there.
우연히 그를 거기서 만났어요.
I acclaimed my joy.
I acclaimed my joy.
나는 기뻐서 소리쳤다.
I aced it.
I aced it.
해냈어.
I aced last year.
I aced last year.
나는 작년에 A 학점을 받았어.
I aced my finals.
I aced my finals.
나 기말고사에서 만점 받았어.
I aced my math exam.
I aced my math exam.
나 수학 시험에서 A 받았어.
I aced the exam.
I aced the exam.
저 시험 만점 받았어요.
I aced the math test.
I aced the math test.
나는 시험을 쉽게 잘 봤어.
I aced the test.
I aced the test.
나 만점 받았어.
I aced the test.
I aced the test.
시험 잘 봤어.
I ache all over.
I ache all over.
몸살이 났어요.
I ache for her.
I ache for her.
그녀를 위해 희생했어요.
I ache in the joints.
I ache in the joints.
뼈 마디마디가 아프다.
I acknowledge your sense.
I acknowledge your sense.
센스 언니를 인정해.
I act quickly.
I act quickly.
난 행동이 민첩하다.
I acted like a fool.
I acted like a fool.
내가 너무 바보 같은 짓을 했어?
I acted out of anger.
I acted out of anger.
화가 너무 나서 맘대로 해버렸다.
I actually cared about her.
I actually cared about her.
난 실제로 그녀에게 관심을 가졌거든.
I actually like both.
I actually like both.
저는 사실 둘 다 좋아해요.
I actually met her husband.
I actually met her husband.
나는 사실 그녀의 남편을 만났다.
I actually miss her.
I actually miss her.
진짜 그립다고.
I actually think the opposite.
I actually think the opposite.
난 사실 그 반대라고 생각한다.
I added more washer fluid.
I added more washer fluid.
워셔액을 보충했다.
I added pot of cyclamen.
I added pot of cyclamen.
나는 시클라멘 화분을 하나 추가했다.
I admire/respect him.
I admire/respect him.
난 그를 사모한다. 존경한다.
I admire him.
I admire him.
저는 그를 존경합니다.
I admire his cool courage.
I admire his cool courage.
그는 좋은 배짱이다.
I admire his cool.
I admire his cool.
나는 그의 냉정함을 존경합니다.
I admire his impudence.
I admire his impudence.
반어적 그의 뻔뻔스러움에 감탄 안 할 수 없다.
I admire my father.
I admire my father.
나는 나의 아버지를 존경한다.
I admire you.
I admire you.
나는 당신을 존경합니다.
I admire your being punctual.
I admire your being punctual.
내가 시간을 잘 지키는 데는 감탄한다.
I admire your conviction.
I admire your conviction.
너의 신념은 존경한다.
I admire your curiosity.
I admire your curiosity.
당신의 호기심이 존경스럽네요.
I admire your enthusiasm.
I admire your enthusiasm.
너의 열정이 대단하다.
I admire your positive attitude.
I admire your positive attitude.
너의 긍정적인 태도가 존경스러워.
I admire your positive outlook.
I admire your positive outlook.
너의 긍정적인 인생관을 존경해.
I admire your tenacity.
I admire your tenacity.
너의 그 고집이 대단해.
I admired his good memory.
I admired his good memory.
나는 그의 기억력이 좋은 데에 감탄했다.
I admit I'm a monster.
I admit I'm a monster.
내가 괴물인 걸 인정한다고?
I admit that much.
I admit that much.
전 그것을 충분히 인정합니다.
I admit that.
I admit that.
을 인정합니다.
I admit to nothing.
I admit to nothing.
난 아무것도 인정하지 않아.
I admitted my fault.
I admitted my fault.
내 잘못이라고 인정했다.
I adore baseball.
I adore baseball.
나는 야구를 매우 좋아한다.
I adore him.
I adore him.
나는 당신을 열렬히 사랑합니다.
I adore swimming.
I adore swimming.
나는 수영을 매우 좋아한다.
I adore tango.
I adore tango.
난 탱고를 아주 좋아해.
I adore you.
I adore you.
나는 당신을 흠모합니다.
I advise leaving early.
I advise leaving early.
내 생각엔 당신이 빨리 떠나는 것이 좋겠어요.
I advise you to economize.
I advise you to economize.
절약하는 일을 권해요.
I affected not to understand.
I affected not to understand.
나는 모르는 채 했다.
I agree slash assent to that.
I agree slash assent to that.
찬성합니다.
I agree completely.
I agree completely.
전적으로 동의합니다.
I agree entirely.
I agree entirely.
나는 전적으로 동의한다.
I agree it can annoy.
I agree it can annoy.
그게 짜증을 유발한다는데 동의합니다.
I agree on it.
I agree on it.
나는 그것에 대해 동의합니다.
I agree to your opinion.
I agree to your opinion.
너의 의견에 찬성한다.
I agree with Brian.
I agree with Brian.
난 브라이언의 말에 동의해요.
I agree with her.
I agree with her.
그녀에게 동의해요.
I agree with him unconditionally.
I agree with him unconditionally.
그의 의견에 무조건 찬성합니다.
I agree with him.
I agree with him.
그와는 마음이 맞는다.
I agree with Joseph.
I agree with Joseph.
저도 조셉의 말에 동의해요.
I agree with Mr. Jones.
I agree with Mr. Jones.
에마어, 존즈에 동의한다.
I agree with the plan.
I agree with the plan.
나는 그 계획에 동의해.
I agree with Tom.
I agree with Tom.
나는 톰에 동의해요.
I agree with you 100%.
I agree with you 100%.
전적으로 동감해.
I agree with you absolutely.
I agree with you absolutely.
무조건 찬성입니다.
I agree with you completely.
I agree with you completely.
확실하게 나도 동의해.
I agree with you partially.
I agree with you partially.
부분적으로 찬성해요.
I agree with you there.
I agree with you there.
그 점에서는 너와 같은 의견이다.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
동의합니다.
I agree with your idea.
I agree with your idea.
그 생각에 관해 당신과 동의합니다.
I agree with your plan.
I agree with your plan.
당신의 의견에 동의합니다.
I agree with your suggestion.
I agree with your suggestion.
동의합니다.
I agree with.
I agree with.
에 동의합니다.
I agree that's important.
I agree. That's important.
그럼 그건 중요하지.
I agree.
I agree.
동의합니다.
I agree. It's delicious.
I agree. It's delicious.
나도. 너무 맛있어.
I agree. Let's do that.
I agree. Let's do that.
동감이야. 그렇게 하자.
I agree. This is fishy.
I agree. This is fishy.
나도 뭔가 수상하다고 생각해.
I agreed to move.
I agreed to move.
나는 이사하는데 동의하였다.
I aided him with advice.
I aided him with advice.
나는 그에게 조언했다.
I ain't slash am not ready.
I ain't slash am not ready.
준비가 되지 않았다.
I ain't slash haven't done it.
I ain't slash haven't done it.
나는 그것을 하지 못했다.
I ain't answering his questions.
I ain't answering his questions.
난 그의 질문들에 답하지 않을 거야.
I ain't asking permission.
I ain't asking permission.
허락을 구한 게 아니야.
I ain't done much healing.
I ain't done much healing.
난 그리 치유가 되지 않았어요.
I ain't even been there.
I ain't even been there.
난 거기 가본 적도 없단 말이야.
I ain't even hungry.
I ain't even hungry.
난 배가 고프지도 않아.
I ain't even old enough.
I ain't even old enough.
난 나이도 아직 안 됐단 말이야.
I ain't even ready yet.
I ain't even ready yet.
난 아직 준비도 안 됐단 말이야.
I ain't even seen him.
I ain't even seen him.
나는 그를 본 적도 없어.
I ain't given that way.
I ain't given that way.
나는 그렇게는 할 수 없다.
I ain't gonna do it.
I ain't gonna do it.
나는 그럴 생각이 없다.
I ain't gonna leave you.
I ain't gonna leave you.
나는 너를 떠나지 않을 것이야.
I ain't gonna lose, but
I ain't gonna lose, but
난 지지 않아. 하지만
I ain't gonna waste time.
I ain't gonna waste time.
나는 시간을 낭비하지 않을 것이다.
I ain't got no daughter.
I ain't got no daughter.
나에겐 딸 같은 건 없어.
I ain't got no money.
I ain't got no money.
난 돈이 하나도 없다.
I ain't having it.
I ain't having it.
내가 허락 못해.
I ain't heard a peep.
I ain't heard a peep.
코빼기도 안 보여?
I ain't looking to leave.
I ain't looking to leave.
난 떠나길 바라지 않아.
I ain't no mind reader.
I ain't no mind reader.
제가 독심술을 하는 것도 아닌데요.
I ain't paying for that.
I ain't paying for that.
그 돈은 안 낼 거야.
I ain't paying you.
I ain't paying you.
너한텐 돈 안 줘.
I ain't sweating the cholesterol.
I ain't sweating the cholesterol.
콜레스테롤 따위는 신경 안 써요.
I ain't taking you.
I ain't taking you.
그쪽은 안 돼요.
I ain't wearing no tights.
I ain't wearing no tights.
난 타이즈는 입지 않을 거다.
I ain't your secretary, Bubba.
I ain't your secretary, Bubba.
내가 내 비서인 줄 아니? 촌놈아.
I ain't your soldier.
I ain't your soldier.
난 당신 병사가 아니야.
I air the bedding.
I air the bedding.
이불을 말려요.
I allowed him to depart.
I allowed him to depart.
그를 출발시켰다.
I allowed myself luxuries.
I allowed myself luxuries.
저는 제 자신이 사치하는 것을 허용했어요.
I allowed the claim.
I allowed the claim.
나는 그 주장을 인정했다.
I almost bought the farm.
I almost bought the farm.
나 황천 갈 뻔했어.
I almost caught a cold.
I almost caught a cold.
하마터면 감기가 들 뻔했어요.
I almost caught that one.
I almost caught that one.
내가 잡을 뻔했어.
I almost caught the fish.
I almost caught the fish.
고기를 다 잡았다가 놓쳤다.
I almost couldn't buy it.
I almost couldn't buy it.
나는 그걸 거의 사지 못할 뻔했어.
I almost couldn't recognize you.
I almost couldn't recognize you.
당신을 거의 알아보지 못했습니다.
I almost cried.
I almost cried.
나는 거의 울 뻔했다.
I almost didn't make it.
I almost didn't make it.
하마터면 제때 못 올 뻔했어.
I almost didn't recognize you.
I almost didn't recognize you.
당신을 거의 몰라보겠어요.
I almost died from embarrassment.
I almost died from embarrassment.
황당해서 죽는 줄 알았어요.
I almost died laughing.
I almost died laughing.
웃겨서 죽을 뻔했다.
I almost died of embarrassment.
I almost died of embarrassment.
너무 창피스러워 죽을 것 같았다.
I almost died.
I almost died.
하마터면 죽을 뻔했다.
I almost dropped a load.
I almost dropped a load.
간 떨어질 뻔했어요.
I almost drowned.
I almost drowned.
물에 빠져 죽을 뻔했다.
I almost fainted from shock.
I almost fainted from shock.
너무 놀라서 기절할 뻔했다.
I almost felt like weeping.
I almost felt like weeping.
난 지금 거의 울 것 같다.
I almost forgot my umbrella.
I almost forgot my umbrella.
하마터면 우산을 잊을 뻔했다.
I almost forgot our date.
I almost forgot our date.
데이트가 있다는 걸 잊을 뻔했어요.
I almost forgot today's homework.
I almost forgot today's homework.
하마터면 오늘 숙제를 잊을 뻔했다.
I almost forgot your face.
I almost forgot your face.
호출이 와서 전화 드립니다.
I almost forgot.
I almost forgot.
하마터면 잊을 뻔했군요.
I almost forgot.
I almost forgot.
하마터면 잊을 뻔했네.
I almost froze.
I almost froze.
얼어 죽을 뻔했어요.
I almost got hurt.
I almost got hurt.
나 다칠 뻔했다.
I almost keeled over.
I almost keeled over.
나는 거의 졸도할 뻔했어요.
I almost killed myself.
I almost killed myself.
죽을 뻔했다.
I almost lost it.
I almost lost it.
난 거의 정신을 잃을 뻔했어.
I almost lost my hustle.
I almost lost my hustle.
나는 기운이 거의 소진되어 버렸어.
I almost lost my lunch.
I almost lost my lunch.
너무 무서워서 점심 먹은 거 다 토할 뻔했어.
I almost lost my temper.
I almost lost my temper.
거의 분통을 터트릴 뻔했어요.
I almost lost.
I almost lost.
하마터면 질 뻔했다.
I almost made a mistake.
I almost made a mistake.
하마터면 실수할 뻔했다.
I almost made it.
I almost made it.
거의 됐는데 아깝다.
I almost made it.
I almost made it.
거의 됐는데 아깝다.
I almost missed her.
I almost missed her.
하마터면 나는 그녀를 놓칠 뻔했다.
I almost missed my plane.
I almost missed my plane.
하마터면 비행기를 놓칠 뻔했어.
I almost missed the bus.
I almost missed the bus.
나 버스 놓칠 뻔했어.
I almost missed the train.
I almost missed the train.
하마터면 기차를 놓칠 뻔했다.
I almost never do.
I almost never do.
거의 그러지는 않지?
I almost never get sick.
I almost never get sick.
저는 거의 아파본 적이 없습니다.
I almost passed him by.
I almost passed him by.
나는 그를 그냥 지나칠 뻔했다.
I almost passed out briefly.
I almost passed out briefly.
잠깐 정신을 잃을 정도였어?
I almost peed.
I almost peed.
오줌 쌀 뻔했어.
I almost popped my eardrums.
I almost popped my eardrums.
고막이 터질 뻔했다.
I almost saw a wolf.
I almost saw a wolf.
난 거의 말문이 막혔다.
I almost shit my pants.
I almost shit my pants.
나는 죽을 뻔했어요.
I almost stepped on it.
I almost stepped on it.
난 그걸 밟을 뻔했어요.
I already answered your questions.
I already answered your questions.
나는 이미 너희 질문에 답을 하였다.
I already ate lunch.
I already ate lunch.
전 이미 점심 먹었어요.
I already called an ambulance.
I already called an ambulance.
이미 구급차를 불렀습니다.
I already caught Nancy out.
I already caught Nancy out.
나는 이미 낸시의 잘못을 간파했다.
I already checked it.
I already checked it.
제가 이미 확인했거든요.
I already checked the codex.
I already checked the codex.
코덱스에서 이미 찾아봤어요.
I already considered that.
I already considered that.
그건 이미 고려해봤어.
I already did it.
I already did it.
벌써 했어요.
I already did.
I already did.
벌써 했는데.
I already fed her.
I already fed her.
벌써 먹여봤단 말이야.
I already feel relaxed.
I already feel relaxed.
벌써 기분이 편안해지네요.
I already feel so bored.
I already feel so bored.
이미 지루한 기분이다.
I already got the passport.
I already got the passport.
이미 여권을 가지고 있어요.
I already have a lead.
I already have a lead.
어디서부터 시작할지 알아요.
I already have a roommate.
I already have a roommate.
제 짝꿍은 따로 있는데요.
I already have plans tonight.
I already have plans tonight.
오늘 밤은 계획이 있어요.
I already have security software.
I already have security software.
보안 소프트웨어를 이미 가지고 있습니다.
I already it.
I already it.
이미 했어요.
I already ordered fried chicken.
I already ordered fried chicken.
난 벌써 후라이드 치킨을 시켰어.
I already paid.
I already paid.
나는 이미 지불했습니다.
I already said up next.
I already set up next.
내가 이미 다음으로라고 이야기했잖아.
I already saw it.
I already saw it.
난 그거 벌써 봤어.
I already saw on SNS.
I already saw on SNS.
이미 SNS에서 봤어요.
I already studied today.
I already studied today.
오늘은 벌써 공부했다고요?
I already took mine.
I already took mine.
난 이미 챙겼다지.
I already watched it. Twice.
I already watched it. Twice.
나 벌써 봤어. 2번.
I also do Instagram.
I also do Instagram.
제가 또 인스타그램을 하고 있어요.
I also enjoy English class.
I also enjoy English class.
나도 영어 수업을 즐기고 있어.
I also enjoy shopping.
I also enjoy shopping.
또 쇼핑하는 것을 좋아해요.
I also got a prescription.
I also got a prescription.
그리고 약 처방도 받았다.
I also got private tutoring.
I also got private tutoring.
개인 과외까지 받아봤다.
I also had a hunch.
I also had a hunch.
나도 직감은 있었어.
I also have Instagram.
I also have Instagram.
또 인스타그램도 합니다.
I also hurt my back.
I also hurt my back.
허리도 다쳤다.
I also like traveling.
I also like traveling.
저는 여행도 좋아해요.
I also love playing soccer.
I also love playing soccer.
축구하는 것도 좋아해요.
I also love rats.
I also love rats.
나도 쥐를 좋아해.
I also love snowy days.
I also love snowy days.
눈 오는 날도 좋아해.
I also love that scene.
I also love that scene.
저도 그 장면이 마음에 들어요.
I also need shelter.
I also need shelter.
나 또한 안식처가 필요해.
I also received endoscopy inspections.
I also received endoscopy inspections.
내시경 검사도 받았다.
I also reset my password.
I also reset my password.
비밀번호도 재설정했다.
I also said number 1.
I also said number 1.
난 한 번밖에 말 안 했어.
I always back you up.
I always back you up.
난 언제나 내 편이야.
I always brush after eating.
I always brush after eating.
식후에는 이를 닦습니다.
I always carry a book.
I always carry a book.
난 항상 책을 갖고 다닌다.
I always carry one around.
I always carry one around.
나는 항상 들고 다닌다.
I always crammed for exams.
I always crammed for exams.
전 항상 시험 때 벼락치기를 했어요.
I always did my best.
I always did my best.
난 항상 최선을 다했다.
I always do that.
I always do that.
저는 늘 그렇게 해요.
I always double check ATM receipts.
I always double check ATM receipts.
나는 항상 현금 인출기 영수증을 재확인해.
I always dreaded weddings.
I always dreaded weddings.
난 항상 결혼식을 두려워했다.
I always drowsed during class.
I always drowsed during class.
나는 수업 시간에 항상 졸아.
I always eat mine rare.
I always eat mine rare.
나는 항상 살짝 익혀 먹어.
I always enjoy your company.
I always enjoy your company.
너와 함께 있는 건 늘 즐거워.
I always exercise.
I always exercise.
나는 항상 운동을 합니다.
I always feel grateful.
I always feel grateful.
저는 늘 고맙게 여깁니다.
I always feel lousy.
I always feel lousy.
항상 몸이 개운치 않다.
I always felt that way.
I always felt that way.
난 항상 그랬어.
I always fly business class.
I always fly business class.
난 항상 비즈니스 클래스를 타고 다닌다.
I always fly Korean Air.
I always fly Korean Air.
나는 언제나 KAL을 이용한다.
I always forget that.
I always forget that.
그걸 늘 잊네요.
I always get air bubbles.
I always get air bubbles.
나는 항상 공기 방울이 끼더라고.
I always get sick.
I always get sick.
난 자주 앓는다.
I always get spring fever.
I always get spring fever.
나는 봄을 탄다.
I always get straight A's.
I always get straight A's.
저는 항상 올해일을 받아요.
I am doing, not you.
I am doing, not you.
내가 하고 있어, 내가 아니라.
I am done for.
I am done for.
난 이제 글렀다.
I am done up.
I am done up.
몸이 몹시 고달프다.
I am done with her.
I am done with her.
그녀와의 관계가 끊어졌다.
I am done with smoking.
I am done with smoking.
담배를 끊었어.
I am doomed to die.
I am doomed to die.
난 어차피 죽을 거야.
I am doomed to fail.
I am doomed to fail.
난 어차피 실패할 거야.
I am doomed to poverty.
I am doomed to poverty.
나는 날 때부터 가난을 타고났다.
I am down my luck.
I am down my luck.
나는 운이 안 좋아.
I am down on weekends.
I am down on weekends.
나 주말에 가능해?
I am drenched.
I am drenched.
나 흠뻑 젖었어.
I am dripping with sweat.
I am dripping with sweat.
땀이 많이 흘러내리고 있다.
I am dripping.
I am dripping.
흠뻑 젖었어요.
I am in computer science.
I am in computer science.
나는 컴퓨터 과학 분야에 종사한다.
I am in computers.
I am in computers.
저는 컴퓨터와 관련된 일을 해요.
I am in danger.
I am in danger.
나 위험에 처해 있습니다.
I am most grateful.
I am most grateful.
굉장히 감사합니다.
I am most impressed.
I am most impressed.
저는 깊이 감명받았어요.
I am not sure why.
I am not sure why.
지금은 연결할 수 없습니다.
I am not sure yet.
I am not sure yet.
아직 확실치는 않아요.
I am $6 short.
I am $6 short.
돈이 6달러 모자란다.
I am 6 feet tall.
I am 6 feet tall.
그녀는 키가 6피트다.